This is the Geely EX5, the smart, stylish electric SUV built for family life. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Trailer mode is used in the unlikely event your vehicle needs to be recovered to a Geely dealership or a Geely authorized repairer. Here's how you activate trailer mode. On your touchscreen, click Vehicle Settings, My Vehicle, Service and Maintenance, put your foot on the brake, and then click Trailer Mode. Then confirm. This will allow you to move your vehicle to a safer space or onto a tow vehicle. Remember, your Geely EX5 cannot be towed in the traditional way. Doing so could cause serious damage to the vehicle. It's only intended to get you to a safer space or to load the car onto a trailer vehicle. Always take advice from your recovery company or contact Geely Auto or your Geely dealership for advice on how to use this feature. And remember, safety first, always. There are so many more video manuals. Check out the website below for more.